launched by the people of the Muslim community standing against the central government's newly passed Waqf Amendment Act. Now, these protesters said that the BJP-led centre is attempting to divert assets which are meant for the welfare of poor Muslims. Now, the demonstrators also formed a human chain at H.R. Gaviappa Circle and raised strong slogans opposing the centre's passing of the Waqf Amendment Act. These are the visuals on your screens. Also joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Abhishek, live from Mangaluru, to get us more details. Abhishek, speak to us about this large-scale protest. Hundreds of people out in the streets of Ballari. Abhishek, if you can hear me, speak to us about the protests that we just saw. The visuals were, they were anything but normal. These are hundreds of people on the streets in Ballari, out in the open, protesting against the Waqf Amendment Act. They're raising slogans and they're chanting slogans. They have placards in their hands. Speak to us about these protests, Abhishek.
So very clearly looking at the incident, All India Muslim Personal Law Board actually called for a protest against the BJP-led central government, claiming that the BJP is trying to make sure that the country is divided in the name of religion. And also, we have seen a couple of the people who belong to the Congress party, probably some of the MLAs and who are former ministers as well, who were a part of the agitation or the protest against the central government. They have very mentioned clearly that Christian, Hindu, Muslim are the agenda of BJP. They aren't doing anything which is actually necessary and required to the country. The BJP-led central government is making sure to curb all the laws which is related to the Waqf. However, the congressman also clearly said that they aren't against the amendment, but they are very much against the decision of the BJP-led central government to confiscate all the properties which are meant to be the Waqf land forever. And also they have clearly made sure to mention that the BJP is trying to integrate the people of Muslim community by taking their rights away from their hands, and also they would continue this protest against the Waqf Amendment Bill until the central government decides to take the Waqf Bill back. And also,
Abhishek, many thanks for getting us those details. Viewers, these are the visuals of the massive protest that has gripped the streets of Ballari in Karnataka.